Hello, my amazing spider friends. In my last video, I taught you how to shrink a large image like my original spider logo and make it into a little bite-sized icon or image for your website. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to move that picture somewhere else on the page. Now, there are several ways to go about this, at least three that I know of. I'm going to teach you my favorite way of how to make something go into specifically the center of the page. But before you can do that, the basics you need to know for all three of these ways that I know of is to use something I like to call div and conquer. That is to say, you wrap everything in a div, cut, paste, give it a class or an ID. You name it something that you're going to use, like spider position. And then you go to the style sheet, you put the class specifier, spider position, and then you put display on here. What I'm going to specifically teach you today is something called Flexbox. Put display flex, and it didn't move anything right then, but if you do justify content center, it'll move it to the center of the page across the y-axis. Now, there is a way to change it so that'll move across the x-axis instead, but that, my friends, my amazing spider friends, is for another video. That being said, that is what I have for you today. I'll be teaching you the other way, should you be interested in a future video. Let me know down in the comment section below what you want me to teach you next. And don't forget to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content and if it taught you something. And subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. That being said, don't forget to weave your part of the World Wide Web. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.